Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for the TikTok Creator Fund. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your device. Once you're inside the app, tap on the three dots located in the top right corner of your profile page. This will open the settings menu. At the top of the page, you'll see an option labeled Manage Account. To continue, you'll need to switch your account from a personal account to a business account by tapping on Switch to Business Account and completing the sign up process. Once your account is set to business, you can easily apply for the Creator Fund. To do this, go back to your main TikTok profile page and tap the three dots in the top right corner again. Scroll down and find the Creator section. Inside this menu, you'll see an option labeled TikTok Creator Fund. Tap on it. To be eligible for the Creator Fund, you must meet a few requirements. You need to have at least 10,000 followers, 10,000 video views in the last 30 days, and you must be at least 18 years old. If you don't currently meet these criteria, you won't be able to apply just yet. However, once you do, you'll be able to submit your application and have a good chance of being accepted into the TikTok Creator Fund.